This is Peter Spencer, Professor of Neurology at the Oregon Health and Science University in Portland, Oregon, United States. I'd like to discuss with you for a few minutes what we understand to be the potential adverse effects of exposure to certain vapors and gases that we might encounter in the workplace or elsewhere. The first principle that we've learned is that the structure of the chemical dictates the effect. One can have structures which are able to damage the nervous system, but with slight modifications of the structure, there may be no effect at all. The second point is that we understand that there are thresholds below which no adverse effect may occur, and above which there may be the development of neurologic damage. These thresholds are true for both acute effects of chemicals on the nervous system and chronic effects on the nervous system. The acute effects may be associated with very high levels of exposure, for example, to carbon monoxide or hydrogen cyanide or certain solvent chemicals. But these effects may be lethal, but if the exposure is stopped, they may be fully reversible. Chronic effects usually occur as a result of repeated daily exposure, for example, in the workplace, when the effects on the nervous system accumulate and may result in actual structural breakdown. The breakdown is often specific to the chemical type. It may affect predominantly the peripheral nervous system, resulting in loss of sensation and weakness in the limbs, or it may affect the central nervous system, not necessarily with effects occurring immediately, potentially with delayed effects after very long prolonged exposure. These effects might be shown in the form of Parkinsonism or other nervous system disorder. So this is a complicated subject. Chemical specificity, thresholds, acute versus chronic effects are all very important considerations when we're discussing this subject. Thank you.